Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be taking a look at some pictures. It's going to be your job to actually analyze whether these folks are getting a hair transplant or a hair system. I really want to put you guys to the test to see if you can tell what people are using for their hair loss, because I think that a lot of us believe that we will be able to tell when we're directly looking at a picture of somebody, or even more so in real life. But I have a theory that we can get tricked a lot and we might not actually know that often. So we're gonna play a little game. Let me know how you guys do. Be honest, don't zoom into the video super far. Don't pause the video. Just take a cursory glance and see if you can tell in real time, okay? So the way this is gonna work is I'm going to give you about 5 to 10 seconds with each picture. Ask what you think about it. Things that I might notice right off the bat, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. At the very end, I'm gonna go back through every single one and we're gonna analyze it, okay? So here we go. All right, so here's contestant number 1 right here. All right, so the first thing that I notice is obviously he's got a covered hairline, so can't really tell by that right there. So we kind of have to go by maybe density, hair color, all of that kind of stuff. All right, contestant number 2 right here. Found this one online. I love the texture of this guy's hair. Also has great eyebrows, but that's besides the point. This is contestant number 2. Make sure you leave your comment below with what you predict, hair system or hair transplant. All right, guys, this is contestant number 3. Hair transplant or hair system. Partially exposed hairline. We see that. Looks like a pretty even match up here on top with the sides. That is number 3. So leave that comment below. Let me know. All right, guys, this is number 4. What do you think? This guy obviously has some naturally very dense hair. Dense on top, but this could be possibly his natural hair, could be hair transplanted. It's pretty hard to tell with his ethnicity, but this is, model number 4. So leave that comment below. All right, participant number 5. Hair transplant or hair system? Here's participant number 6. Hair transplant or hair system? Participant number 6, we see definitely a lower density, which it looks like he's got on the sides. Color-wise, I can't really tell much, so you guys tell me what you think. This is participant number 6. All right, this is participant number 7. What do you guys think of this one right here? Participant number 7, leave a comment down below. This is participant number 8. Hair transplant or hair system? Participant number 8. Participant number 9. Participant number 9. So we see right here, he's got an exposed hairline. Yeah, that's all I got for you. All right, participant number 10. This one should be an easy one for you guys. Participant number 10. I think this is participant number 11. Correct me if I'm wrong, but participant number 11. So once again, we going with an exposed hairline. What do you guys think? All right, this is participant number 12. We're coming close to the end, so make sure you keep typing out those comments. Participant number 12 is participant number 13. Number 13, looks like some diffusion of that hairline right there, so that could be a tricky one. All right, participant number 14 right here. What do you guys think? Hair system or hair transplant? Here is the next one right here. What do you guys think of this one? Once again, we have a partially exposed hairline. So we can see a little bit of this action going on right here. Remember, don't zoom into these. Try to give it your best first guess. And then the last one right here. What do you guys think? Hair system or hair transplant? All right, now is the time that we're actually gonna go back through all of these pictures and we're gonna analyze them one by one with giving you the actual answer of whether they are a hair transplant or a hair system. All right, so guy number 1, what do you guys think? Hair system or hair transplant? It is actually a hair system right here. As we know, it's tougher to tell with a hair system when the hairline is down, and especially if the color is matched really well, and so is the density. So let's move on to the next one. All right, participant number 2. This is also a hair system. This salt and pepper look that he's got going on with his natural hair really helps. So participant number 2 is also wearing a hair system. All right, participant number 3 is also wearing a hair system. Once again, like if I saw this guy on the street, I would not know any different. All right, Participant number 4. This is also a hair system. All right, I think this one is a little bit easier to tell, just because like the fluidity of this hair up here, I don't feel really like matches, you know, his sides. Like he can get away with it, but generally with his ethnicity, hair doesn't generally look like that. Although it could be relaxed or straightened, that is a possibility. But when I see it, I thought hair system for the first time. All right, next participant. So this is participant number 5. This is also a hair system, guys. Also a hair system. All right, participant number 6. Once again, this is a hair system. This is his before. This is his after. So this is participant number 6, also wearing a hair system. Participant number 7, also wearing a hair system. This is him before. This is him after. All right, participant number 8. You're starting to get the trend here, guys. This guy is also wearing a hair system. We can see him before and his after, of course. So participant 8 is also wearing a hair system. Participant 9, once again, wearing a hair system. Participant 10, also wearing a hair system. Participant 11, also wearing a hair system and looking great, if I say so myself. Participant 12, also wearing a hair system. 13, a hair system. All these guys are wearing hair systems. 14, hair system. This guy, probably a little bit easier to tell. I think it's just because I see so many guys who do decide to get longer hair on top with no hair, or literally just like a buzz cut on the sides with hair systems. But this one probably a little bit easier to guess that, at least. Participant 14, also wearing a hair system. This is him before and him after. And then our final participant, also wearing a hair system. All these guys are wearing hair systems. Not one of them was wearing a hair transplant. And I asked you the question, how many of them did you get right? How many of them did you get wrong? Under the assumption that you were going to see some that had hair transplants, did you guess that some were hair transplants? Did you guess that all of them were hair systems? I'm curious to know what your results are with this. I think it's a fun little test. You know, I always change these up. Sometimes I actually do put them in there. Sometimes I don't, because I want to see how you guys actually react to this, if you guys can really tell. So thanks for playing along with me. Let me know down in the comments below like what your results were. Leave, you know, the 1, 2, 3 hair system, hair transplant, and then your impressions after the video, if you were surprised by that, if anything took you off guard. Because I know that if I was just a viewer and I had not seen this video before in the making and the whole concept, I would definitely have been tricked by at least a couple, at least. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.